Hi, this is Tariq here from stockoptionexpert.com. Wanted to cover some of the top options bet in a few of the stocks. Starbucks is one of them. If you are any of my followers, you are making nice money. We have alerted you yesterday. There is a big calls volume got bought here, 10,000 plus contract. This is still in my public account. If you look at it in terms of the chart pattern, it has an inverse head and shoulder pattern. This has developed to be bullish. Then you have a green candle which have made a bullish candle here, so this is a bullish formation and it nicely kept up today. Right now it was up 1% plus. It has to break above 56-55 level with some volume, otherwise you can it has to the volume more volume has to come for it to go higher. A stock need to get above average volume, which is around 10 million plus volume. Right now it has 2.1 million volume, so you want to keep an eye on that. Also overall market conditions, so I am keeping an eye on this volume. We are taking some profits here. Also, once it gets above 56, 55 with volume, we will add some more volume here. So also for our premium members, this is our premium Twitter. Only our premium members have the access. Starbucks also had the weekly call volume. This went to our premium members. If you, this is private account. So if you are our members, you got this alert from 11:54 yesterday, 22 August. We saw 55 calls here, got bought at 1,000 contracts. So someone expected a bounce today and they are making nice money. Facebook nicely up here. Barron's had an article last Sunday saying the stock can go up by 20%. So it's holding nicely. This is a horizontal support zone. Right now it's about 10-day moving average. Some resistance around 125, 75. Once for it to go higher, it needs to break 128.50 with high volume. So I expect if it holds this 20-day moving average line, this yellow line, this can move higher. Also I will keep an eye on day-to-day changes on the volume for this one. Another one, we not Starbucks, another one got a small bounce today. Disney is struggling around 20-day MA. It's got a small bounce. Someone took a bullish bet here for the October 95 calls, 5,000 contract bought that we shared in our private account. So this is a pretty big bet. So once it gets above this level, high 96.50, this can push higher. So you have to keep an eye. Nice support here, nice support here. I'm sure if market goes sideways to this thing, can move nicely higher. So keep an eye on these setups. Nike is another great one. Nike again bouncing again today. If you follow me on stock tweets or my Twitter account, we did show you that big volume started to come here back last Friday. It's not like today we are coming and claiming. If you can just verify us back on Saturday, this is when big volume started to come. So but it is hitting some resistance, 56.50 zone here. So you must have to see all these levels. Unless you don't see this, you will never make money. This is period. There is no if and but or fundamental, or you have to know where to add and why and why support resistance are developing, and then combine it with the options flow. This is what we do, and this is why we try to keep it above our profit above 60, between 60 to 70%. This is my public account on the stock tweets. Many of you who follow me here, so look at this. If you see GoPro We told you yesterday GoPro has call volume today. It's back at GoPro bouncing again, but it has some resistance on data. It's back up. Remember we told you yesterday it is back up 3.5%. It's not we are claiming today. Remember they had weekly 15 call volume and this thing is back up. It was up 4% today. Again it bounced up 3.2%, but some resistance zone here around 16. So unless it cannot push higher here, this thing will pull back for sure. And also today I saw small put volume here, so you want to keep an eye on that one. Nike from again we told you here, look at this 6800 calls volume. This is why we focus on the big one, big volume. This is how you get paid, and you have to remain focused. I know there are so many people keep posting hundreds of block alerts. If you follow them, for sure you get 1 2 good alerts, but you are not focused. You have too many to manage and you got toasted. I saw a lot of people are adding puts in BBY. They got crushed this morning with this 18% plus move. Remember at open what I told you guys? This is my public post, not at open. We told you at what was at 7:56. I said they beat the earnings. 30 strike has 5,000 plus because the overnight mini yesterday. So put buyers got toasted. It was up 15% I believe at open. Since the clause, remember they remained bullish. Someone knew it. Someone had a bullish bet via options. So what happened? They targeted 33 and there was big calls were sitting here around and then break up, and even if you had added at the open, you are nicely up again and the 3.1%. We had this public post again at around I believe, yeah, right around 8 o'clock today. Today's date. Another big one, CPN, 10,000 plus calls, December call traded today. This one we are watching closely. This one is going multiple support and this can come back and here come just 13 level easily if market holds. And in terms of the market, this market is making everyone fool. This is what it is doing. Nobody can come and claim that this everyone nailing. Look at this range bound. I keep telling my members, do not add too much. This one, it's you see every time it's coming down and then they are keeping it above 10-20 day moving average line. So right now it has some resistance around this zone here. We saw small put activity. IWM2 someone added earlier, someone added weekly 113.5 123.5 puts. Okay, I will just show you in real time so that you don't have doubts what our premium members are getting in real time. So look at my last two premium alerts. Starbar, make sure to take some profits. Remember, I told you some resistance. We want to make sure we are locking some profits. IWM, look at this. IWM, this one. Someone just hit weekly 123.5 puts. Let's see how it plays out, but it is resistance. It is hitting some resistance around on the top here. Also, this will, let's say, make it look like something here. But again, I'm not aggressive on the indexes because you can get up in this sideways action and get beat up if you are very frustrated if you have been trading this directionally, because look at this it has no move. So keeping an eye on other ones. CPN is a good one. Starbucks took profits. Facebook too took some profits. You have to play this market day to day, otherwise you'll get crushed. Thank you. Please share.